Hi everyone. So my camera is currently not working, and that is why you're only able to see my picture right down here. But I really want to get this video out. So here we go. I'm going to be showing you how to create an ebook on Canva. So I personally have created a cupcake cookbook, and it was up to 100 pages. The first thing you will do is go to canva.com and you will create your own account. And if you actually already have one, then you would just log in. Canva allows you to create a free version or a pro version where you pay monthly, and that is what I have. So I have already logged in. As you can tell right here, my initials pop up, so I'm already logged in. And I'm going to be showing you how to create your first ebook. So once you log in, you go to the search bar and you type ebook. And this is going to be giving you a lot of different templates where you can get different ideas. If you are creating a fiction novel or nonfiction or a self-help book, that's all going to be here. So I created a cookbook, and that's what I'm going to show you. I'm going to show you how to create a cookbook. So as you can tell, there are so many different templates, and all of these you can modify, which is great. So these are all ebook covers. But I want to start with recipes. I already have my recipes, and that's where I want to start. So I'm going to go to the search bar again and click recipes. So there's over 7,000 templates, and there are so many, as you can tell. So I'm going to stick with a cupcake cookbook, and I really like this one. It's very pretty. So I'm going to click on that. And let's zoom in a little. So right down here, you can zoom in. There we go. You can see that it has the name of the recipe, it has serving size, how long it takes to bake, all of the ingredients, and the instructions along with a photo. So you are able to modify this. All you have to do is click on each item. You can change the font. You can change the size. You can change the color. So let's say I want purple. And if you want to duplicate this exact same page, you just go to duplicate page. And voila, just like magic. Of course, you will have to go in and edit and type in your own recipes. But just like that, you can have your own cookbook ebook. And I honestly loved using Canva. It's just, you can get so creative with it, which I love. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comments and I will answer them as soon as possible. I really hope that this helped you out, and I really hope that you give it a try and create your first ebook on Canva. Thanks for watching.